Okay, well, here we are. This is since moving to Asheville. This is probably one of the more significant winter storms to affect Western North Carolina during this winter season. And as I hear a lot, it is not easy to forecast for Western North Carolina, and it's looking like this is like yet another difficult forecast. Just to give you a brief overview of what's going on, this is sort of what the model situation shows as of Wednesday midday. There's all this rain that continues to pour over this sort of stationary boundary with these impulses moving up and down, not up and down, just up and northward um, from the southeast into the mid Atlantic. And you can put this into motion. Over time, we're going to get this upper level disturbance, actually, more than a disturbance, it's a really strong disturbance. And it starts to induce an area of low pressure at the surface, develops over central Georgia, and intensifies over the period over the day on Thursday. As you can see, as it starts to intensify more and precipitation starts to uh, develop over the western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, as you can see, and the pressure gradient starts to tighten, winds start to increase out of the northeast and out of the north. And meanwhile, this area of this upper low, along with some cold air at the surface, starts to move in and starts to infiltrate towards western North Carolina. It helps it to change that rain over to snow sometime on Thursday afternoon. I'll talk about the specifics later. And eventually it starts to move away. And yay, high pressure starts to move in. And we finally got sunshine after a while, after several days of gray skies and rain. Let's look real quick at the NAM. The NAM shows, this is from Earl Barker's site, the NAM shows this dichotomy from very heavy snow across western Buncombe to very light snow over eastern Buncombe, and Nashville is dead smack in the middle, and it looks like to be around 4 to 6 inches on the NAM. The GFS has a lighter um, decreases the amount of snow it produces. It only has about 1 to 3 inches of snow, um, mostly falling Thursday afternoon through Thursday night. And the hourly forecast is an interesting product from the National Weather Service. You can see the rain, 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 and then somewhere around 3 o'clock they forecast a changeover from rain to snow. You can see down here temperature falls around 33 degrees. Winds pick up out of the north, and then again rain changing over to snow at around that 3 o'clock time period, and then continuing. Looks like until around 7 p.m. I wouldn't be surprised though if the snow continues into the late evening hours. And again, if you look at the winds start to come out of the north, or continue to intensify out of the north, with gusts upwards of 30 to 35 miles an hour. We are under a winter storm watch here, as you can see in the area in blue, all across the western counties of North Carolina. And then the winter storm watch is up and it's out of view, but basically, let me see if I can move it in. There we go. You can see a significant winter storm possible across the North Carolina mountains on Thursday. So all in all, it's a difficult forecast. Also, one more thing that I didn't mention is that the ground is so warm, relatively speaking, and very wet that a lot of accumulation on the ground, on the road surfaces, won't happen immediately. So a lot of the accumulation initially is going to be over the grassy surfaces and the bushes and stuff like that. Meanwhile, one other thing to talk about: temperatures start to bottom out by Thursday night into early Friday morning, with temperatures falling into the about the low 20s, I guess, low to mid 20s. There you go. Looks like around 24 degrees, 23 degrees as we get into the early morning hours on Friday. That means everything that was wet will begin to freeze, and so we're looking at a difficult commute by Friday morning. All right, that is about it. Difficult forecast. I don't know. What am I going to say? Let's go with 2 to 4 inches for Asheville. Although I wouldn't be surprised if it's more than that. And we'll check it out by Friday morning. All right, talk to you. Bye.